Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Windshield Wipers Relay, which relay we need to check for them. We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just one of them, which is located under the hood in the engine bay. And if we guys zoom in a little bit, right behind your 12-volt battery you have a fuse box cover here. You open that fuse box cover and you'll see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Check this thing out. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, here you will have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, expensive at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a really good price, quick shipping. That way, guys, okay, you can save money as well. The relay that we need to check specifically, guys, for the wipers now, okay, will be in that relay panel right here. Okay, you can see that's the relay panel that we need, and the relay that we need to check specifically for the wipers will be the one on the very top right here. That relay will need to be checked.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.